Let's talk about loans. And mas attractive naman talaga yung mga loans na instant na tatanggap, online lang, and magsasabit ka lang ng valid ID, boom, receive mo na kaagad. Last March, nakautang ako ng 119,000 sa kay HomeCredit. And in 2 business days, receive ko kaagad sa aking bank account 118,500 dahil meron siyang processing fee na 500, which is standard sa lahat ng cash loans regardless of the amount. Now, nagmamonthly ako ng 5,606 sa kanya. It would have been higher kung hindi ko tinanggal yung additional services niya. And tinanggal ko yung additional services because I'm pretty confident na I can always meet the monthly obligation 48 months. That's why this is not going to be a personal finance channel and hindi tayo completely nagre-review ng mga online loan products kung hindi natin pinag-uusapan yung things that come along with the utang that we claim online. So in today's video, pag-usapan natin itong si HomeCredit and what I wish I could have done. Yung gusto ko naman guys is to give you guys awareness sa mga things like this to help you avoid the mistakes na I probably did. Hello everybody! Welcome back to my channel. It's Ate Red here and dito pinag-uusapan natin yung mga online loan platforms, digital bank loans because yung main goal natin is financial literacy and making good financial decisions as much as possible. Of course, hindi naman perfect ang buhay. It depends on every situation but the more we are aware of the things we do online, especially yung mga utang-utang na to, the less we avoid headaches. Anyway, so this video is not sponsored. It is based on my personal experience. And yun nga, yung pag-uusapan natin si HomeCredit and what better alternative sana na tinake ko. My situation may not be applicable sa inyo, but at least I hope na by making you aware, you probably could make better decisions that I did. I'm not gonna be bashing HomeCredit, of course, because in a way, it's been helpful. Matagal na to si HomeCredit because it started as a product loan na ina-applyan mo in store. And now, meron siyang app and you can apply for products like cash loan online. Sometimes it's good, depende sa offer niya, and sometimes yung talagang pikit mata ka na lang. It's fast, and it's convenient. One valid ID lang yung kailangan mo. And every time na nag-claim ka, you just need to update your information or supply the missing information, and that's about it. All loans are subject to assessment naman this system, so always check the app kung anong existing offers niya sa'yo before you confirm anything. March, nakautang ako sa kanya ng 119,000 pesos minus a processing fee na 500 na-receive ko sa aking bank account. Naka-receive ako ng 118,000 pesos. 118,500. Ngayon, nagma-monthly ako ng 5,606 and it's gonna be like that for the next 48 months. 48 months is more than 3 years. In 48 months, I end up paying 2,609,000 sa loan kong 119. Sayang ang pera. This reminds me of the comments like, okay, sa HomeCredit, sa bangko kayo. And these are comments na can be annoying. Pero there's truth to it. Kaya naalala ko tuloy yung mga emails ko from Metrobank. Nung March, I also received the same email and Metrobank was offering me 105,000 pesos na personal loan. Of course, it's tied up with my credit card because I have a credit card with Metrobank. Yung utilization ko sa credit card ko is not so high. That's why palagi sila nag-aalok ng personal loan. Anyways, my point is, just this morning, Metrobank sent me an email saying that they can lend me up to 75,000 pesos with payments as low as 2,833 per month because for 36 months, 1% per month na monthly add-on. It's still mahal. In 36 months, 101,988. But let's use that interest rate of 4.02. For example, kay HomeCredit ko kinuha yung 75,000 peso. Yung ginagamit nilang formula is the reducing balance method. Meaning, yung payments mo ay napupunta first sa interest before it goes to the principal and then bumababa until finally, yung last payment mo is most of it nasa principal na and less on the interest. Yun yung na-notice ko kay HomeCredit. And using the 4.02% na last offer ni HomeCredit sa akin, this means na yung babayaran ko every month will be 3,977. Say for example, nag-offer din si HomeCredit sa akin ng 36 months on that principal. After 36 months sa kay HomeCredit, 143, 190, 0.30. Now you see why some people say na mahal talaga kapag online loan platform. Here's the thing. HomeCredit po kasi is a lot easier to apply for than banks. And not everyone has access to bank loans. So HomeCredit is non-secured. It bears higher risk That's why mas mataas yung interest rates niya kaysa bank. And dito naman sa kay Metrobank, I would have to call them, give them the number na pinapadala ni Metrobank sa email, and wait for 5 business days before siya makredit sa Metrobank account ko. In plain and simple terms, mas madaling makakuha ng cash loan kay HomeCredit if willing kang ipikit mata sa kanyang rate. Kung meron kang access sa mga bank loans, then please, grab mo muna yan. And if the bank will not approve you, then that's the time na pumunta kang HomeCredit. Hopefully, with the computation na shinare ko sa inyo, sa banks, and letting you know na mas attractive naman po talaga, mas maganda yung loan products ng bank. I hope na ma-encourage ko kayo to really try your best to build good credit history, build your credit score, so that we don't end up sa mga facilities like HomeCredit na parang nasasakal tayo because wala tayong choice. I get it that some people would say na, hala, sa bangko kayo. But sometimes these people don't understand na hindi lahat may access sa bangko. Kung wala kang access sa bangko, then mapait man pakinggan, pero tiis-tiis ka muna sa mga facilities like HomeCredit. But take care of your credit score or your financial reputation. Eventually, mag-open siya ng doors or magkaroon ka ng opportunity makautang sa much better facilities, so that as much as possible, iwasan na natin yung mga schemes like HomeCredit. I'm not saying that HomeCredit is not legit. Let's just say it's an alternative sa those na hindi pa pwede sa bangko. So, wala naman akong binabash dito or wala naman akong pinut down na product dito, but I'm just trying to help you understand and encourage you na to really think about, these loans. And siguro, wag na lang i-take kung hindi kailangan. And kung iti-take mo man, just make sure na kaya nating i-handle. Kasi loans, interest, malaki silang responsibility. Kung meron ako nakalimutan magitan, just let me know in the comment section. I just want to get this out of my system. Kasi honestly, pinagsisisihan ko yung 190 na kinuha ko kay HomeCredit na only kung pinag-isipan ko lang at hindi lang sana ako nagmadali. Sana yung ginrab ko na lang is yung 105 na offer ni Metrobank. Tinawagan ko sila, binigay ko yung reference number, naghintay ako ng 5 days at kung hindi nila ako na-approve, then saka na sana ako pumunta ng HomeCredit. So let me know what you think and I'll see you on my next vlog. Bye-bye!